Hi everyone. Thanks for being here. Christina with Lift It Yoga. Today we'll be moving through a nice Vinyasa flow class format. All levels are welcome. Be sure you have your yoga mat, a non-slip towel, and your water handy. We'll begin in child's pose. Open your knees out as wide as can be. Walk your toes into touch. Reach your arms forward. Sink back towards your heels. Place your forehead on your mat. Just relax. Take a nice deep breath in through your nose. And an open mouth exhale. Another nice deep inhale. An audible exhale. One more time, full breath in. And a full breath out. Good Ujjayi breath. Seal your lips. Breathe in through your nose. Ujjayi exhale out of your nose while constricting the back of your throat. Drag the breath across. Hear that oceanic sound. Feel internal heat building in your body. Feel a sense of grounding presence. Lift your forehead away from the earth. Come up to your hands. Walk your inner thighs into touch. Take a full breath in. Exhale, embryo pose. Sink your hips back towards your heels. Reach your arms back. And allow your shoulders to draw away from your ears and melt towards your mat. Surrender. Reground your forehead. Find stillness here. Relax. Ujjayi inhale. And Ujjayi exhale. Good. One more breath in. One more exhale. And use your belly strength to slowly lift your chest away from your thighs. Take a deep breath in. As you roll your shoulders up and down your spine. Exhale, puppy pose. Lift your glutes away from your heels. Align your hips over your knees. Walk your hands forward here. As you reach forward, melt your chest to the mat. Feel your tailbone lift towards the ceiling. Press into your elbows into the forearms, reaching forward. And once again, relax the shoulder blades here. See if you can press your shoulders down towards your mat to stretch out the chest muscles. Keep your belly hugged in nice and tight. Good Ujjayi inhale. And full round of breath out. Inhale, tabletop. Come up to your hands. Straighten your arms. Draw your legs out hip width distance apart. As you breathe, align your hips over your knees. Squeeze your belly in tight. Stack your shoulders over your wrists. Inhale, cow pose. Press your belly down towards the mat with a soft bend to your elbows. Gaze up, lifting your throat away from your heart. Exhale, cat pose. Squeeze your belly in tight. Dome the shoulder blades nice and round. Press the mat away. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. But add in any other shapes or movements that you desire here, whatever feels good to you. Circles at the hips. Neck rolls. Lifting up the wrist to stretch the forearms. Be sure to repeat those movements on both sides of your body. Balancing it out. Find stillness in your tabletop. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, downward facing dog. Tuck your Walk your feet into a comfortable distance with all 10 toes pointing forward. Inhale, slowly rise on up to a standing position. Exhale, equal standing pose, Samasthiti. Connect your hands at heart center. Place your hands in prayer. Close your eyes or tuck your chin down towards your throat. Take a deep breath in through your nose. And a nice open mouth exhale to flight. Empty all the way out. Once again, a full belly inhale. Full exhale. Come back to your Ujjayi breathing. Blink your eyes open if you prefer. Release your hands by your sides. Inhale, mountain pose, Tadasana. Lengthen through the arms. As you reach your arms up, breathe. Hug your belly in tight. Steeple grip here. Releasing the index finger, interlacing the other 8 fingers. Okay, take a full breath in. Exhale, side bend to the right. Keep pressing the palms together. Use the strength of your left side body to reach up and over, stretching from the hip up through the oblique, through the side of the arm, and through the index finger. Breathe in. And exhale, bend deeper as you push your hips to the left. Good. Inhale, center. Exhale, side bend to the left, rather. Bump your hips over to the right. Press into the knife edge of the right foot as you lengthen from your hip up the side body through the index finger. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. Keep the shoulders square, framing the bicep to the ear. Good. Inhale, center. Exhale, keep the bind, forward fold. Bound, forward fold. Hinge at your hips, hang heavy here. Release your hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Take your hands to the front of your legs. As you breathe, shift weight into the balls of your feet to encourage a nice stretch through the hamstrings. Squeeze the belly in tight, think tabletop in your back. Take a full breath in. Stay for the exhale. Good, another breath in. Exhale, high plank. Place your hands directly under your shoulders. Step your feet back, hip width distance. Press your heels to the back of your space to energize through the back sides of the legs. As you squeeze your belly, dome the shoulder blades. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, high to mid-plank. Lower to your low push-up. No more than halfway down. Inhale, upward facing dog. As you breathe, press the top of your feet firmly to the mat. Use your upper arm strength to press the mat away. Good. Full breath in. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breath in. And a deep breath out. Slow breath to movement. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, forward fold. Travel to the top of your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain. Steeple grip. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, side bend to the left. Good. Inhale, center. Exhale, bound, forward fold. Lead with your heart. Bend your elbows and your knees. Hang heavy. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high to low plank, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Full breath in. And full breath out. Nice work. One more time. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, steeple grip, side bend to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, steeple grip, side bend to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high to low plank, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe in. And breathe out. Work inhale, push down dog. Drive through that heel. Exhale, low lunge. Bend your knees, step your right foot forward. Stay light on the fingertips, lifting your palms away from the earth. Inhale, warrior one. Step your left foot in, one foot right. Point your toes to a 45 degree angle. Reach your arms up to the sky as you breathe. Bend deep into that right knee. Lift just the bottom half. Be sure your back heel is grounded and pressed down to stretch that hamstring and, calf muscle. Notice the distance between the feet. I'm just going to step that left leg back a little more. Point your right foot forward. Reach through the hands, but relax the shoulders. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Now encourage that right hip to twist back so that the hip points are square to the front wall. Breathe in and breathe out. Really nice. One more breath in. Exhale, bind at your lower back. Interlace all 10 fingers. Press the palms together. Inhale, chest expansion. Slide your hands down your lower spine. Lift your heart. Breathe. Exhale, bound warrior. Bring your right shoulder to the inside of your thigh. As you find your balance, check in with the weight distribution, pressing into both feet evenly. Sometimes we tend to favor that front foot. So shift your weight back to your pelvic floor, that center of gravity. Hang heavy, relax your head, relax your shoulders. Hug your belly in, keep wrapping that right hip back, left hip forward as much as you can. Breathe in and breathe out. One more breath in and out. Good. Inhale, warrior one. Find that strength, reach through the hands. Exhale, warrior two. Widen your stance. Bend that right knee. Bring your arms out to a T. Gaze down at your feet. Line up your front heel with your back heel or front heel to back, inner arch alignment. Encourage a nice activation of the arms by reaching through the fingertips. Pull your kneecap out towards the pinky toe to create external rotation of that front quad muscle. Breathe in. Breathe out as you sink deeper. Good. Inhale, star pose, heels in, toes out. Press into your heels as you breathe, 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 breathe. Exhale, prasarita, parallel your feet. Bring your arms out to a T, hinge at your hips. Take your hands to your ankles, let your head hang heavy. Shift weight into the balls of your feet to stretch out your hammies. Good, take your hands underneath your shoulders. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, low lunge, bend your right foot. Press your left palm down into your mat. Inhale, low lunge twist. Reach your right arm up to the sky. As you breathe, just wiggle that back foot to widen, or rather, create a bigger distance between the front heel and the left toes. Okay? Very similar to the beginning of a split. Reach through the hand and pull your right shoulder back. Let's create space in the side body, the thoracic spine, and a nice stretch through that left leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. One more inhale. Exhale, low lunge. Take your right hand to the mat. Use the strength of your belly and your leg. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Lift your right leg. Exhale, downward facing dog. Nice work. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Lift your left leg. Drive through that heel. Exhale, low lunge. Bend your knee. Step your left foot as forward as you can. Lift the palms of your hands away from the earth, coming light on the fingertips to elevate the ground. Lengthen the crown of your head. Inhale, warrior one. Step your left foot in, at least one footprint. Ground that heel down. Squeeze your belly. As you reach up through your hands, breathe. Check in with the distance between your front heel and the back arch of that right foot. Wrap your left hip back, right hip forward. Adjust your stance accordingly. I'm just going to step my foot up a little bit. My back calf muscle is super tight for my boot camp class. So when the muscles are super tight, they shorten, right? So they don't have quite that flexibility in the back half. So hopefully when we're done with this class, we'll be able to achieve more flexibility. And that's the point of yoga. Relax your shoulders, lengthen through your hands as you bend as deep as you can into that left knee. Keep squaring those hips. Breathe in. Stay for the exhale. Good. Another breath in. Exhale, bind at your lower back. Interlace all 10 fingers. Slide your hands down your booty. Inhale, chest expansion. Lift your gaze. Exhale, bound warrior. Bring your shoulder to the inside of your left thigh. Press evenly into both feet, distribute your weight to the pelvic floor. Wrap your left hip back, right hip forward. Feel the stretch in the upper left hamstring. Foot resting the shoulder on the inner thigh, slightly lifted. Hands away from your back for a nice chest expansion. Stay with your breath. Relax your head, relax your shoulders. Maintain calm and presence. your left knee. Awesome work. Inhale, star pose, heels in, toes out. Lengthen through the hands. Exhale, parallel your feet. Tee out your arms, prasarita. Fold at the hips. Good work. Stretch out the back sides of the legs. Pull your heart towards your belly. Your heart towards your pelvic floor. One more breath in. One more breath out. Release your hands to the earth. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, low lunge to the front of your space. Ground down through the right hand. Push the mat away. Inhale, low lunge twist. Reach your left arm up. And go ahead and continue to press the back foot to the back wall, stretching the glute, back side of that straight leg. Twist just a little deeper, pulling the left shoulder towards the ear, twisting at the thoracic spine, lengthening through the hand to create that space that we need. Deep breath in. And stay on the exhale. Good, another breath in. Exhale, low lunge, bring your left hand to your mat. Lift your belly, inhale, three-legged down dog. Exhale, down dog. When I say lift the belly, it means lift the belly away from the thigh. Full breath in. Full breath out, my friends. Let's flow breath to movement. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Lift your right leg. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, warrior one. Step your left foot in. Reach and lengthen. Find your balance. Square off the hips. Exhale, bind. Interlace your hands, fingers. Inhale, chest expansion. Exhale, humble warrior. Good. Hold here and breathe. Full breath in. Full breath out. Good. Inhale, warrior one. Eyes up, strong. Exhale, warrior two. Widen the distance between your feet. Inhale, star pose. Exhale, prasarita. Hold here. Full breath in. Full breath out. Good. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, low lunge to the front of your space. Good. Ground down through the left hand. Inhale, low lunge, twist to the right. Lengthen. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Lift your right leg high. Exhale, down dog. Nice work. Take a full breath in. Full breath out. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Lift your left leg. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, bind. Inhale, chest expansion. Exhale, humble warrior. Hold and breathe. Inhale, warrior one. Find the strength in your lower half. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, star pose. Exhale, prasarita. Parallel your feet. Bring your arms out to a T. Fold. Place your hands underneath your shoulders. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, low lunge. Press your right palm firmly down to your mat. Inhale, low lunge twist. Breathe in. Exhale, low lunge. And inhale, three-legged down dog. Exhale, downward. Let's stretch out the knees. All right. Drop to your knees. Have a little bit of water. We'll take that through one more time, adding on. Nice job. Good work, good work. Here is a slight mess here. Time for a haircut. Okay. So you've had your water, tabletop in 3, tabletop in 2, tabletop in 1. Breathe in. Exhale, downward facing dog. Good work. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Lift your right leg. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, bind. Inhale, chest expansion. Exhale, bound airplane. Shift the weight into the right leg and foot. Kick your left leg, spiraling the left inner thigh to the sky to square off the hips and breathe here. Find stability. Parallel your forehead from your belly to the mat. And lift your knuckles away from your back. Find your strength. Squeeze the right glute. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Inhale, warrior one. Gently land. Release the bind. Exhale, warrior two. Ooh, so strong. Inhale, star pose. Exhale, prasarita. Good. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, heels in, toes out. Inhale, bear pose. One of my favorite poses, reach forward. Find strength in the belly and then inner thighs. Lengthen through the fingertips. Keep your back flat to hug in your belly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. One more inhale. Exhale, fold. Good. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, low lunge to the front of your space. Inhale, low lunge twist to the right. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Lift your left leg. Exhale, low lunge. And inhale, warrior one. Ooh, excuse me. Exhale, bind. Good. Hold your bind. Good. Hold. Yes, good. Inhale, full airplane. Full, I should say, inhale, chest expansion. Slide your knuckles. Sorry, our pool guys here, I got distracted. Exhale, full bound airplane. Shift the weight into your left leg. Left leg. Lift the right leg. Spiral the inner thigh to the sky. Keep your hips square and level. If you're shaking, it means the muscles are working. Soft micro bend to that left leg as you drive through the right heel. Lift your belly away from your thigh to parallel your torso to the earth. Your breath. Find your presence. Yes. Good. Slowly release. Inhale, warrior one. Exhale, warrior two. Good. Inhale, star pose. Exhale, prasarita. Parallel your feet and your arms. Fold, fold, fold. Good. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, heels and toes out. Press your feet to the side of your space, the side wall. Inhale, air pose, reach forward. Your back is straight as can be. Squeeze the belly. Find strength in the inner thighs. Continue to breathe. Breathe out. Good. One more inhale. Exhale, hands to heart center. Good job. Bring your hands to your mat. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, low lunge to the front of your space. Press the right hand down. Inhale, low lunge twist. Reach, reach, reach. Exhale, low lunge. Again, inhale, three-legged down dog. Lift your left leg. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a moment, take a breath. Find your breath. Nice work. Deep breath in. And bigger breath out. Nice job. All right, let's move into some balancing. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Good work. Inhale, chair pose. Bend your knees. Frame your biceps to your ears. As you breathe, sink into your heels, lifting your toes off the mat, and then fan the toes out. Grip the mat. Sink deeper. Full breath in. Stay for the exhale. Good. One more inhale. Exhale, chair plane. Pull your hands behind you. Press your palms in for a chest expansion. Inhale, one-legged mountain pose. Bend your left leg, your left knee. As you breathe, squeeze your right glute to stabilize your back, your pelvic floor. Flex your toes to your face to ignite your quad and thigh and hamstring. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. One more inhale. Exhale, full airplane. Similar to bound airplane, this time the hands reach back. Soft bend to the right leg. Square off the hips by spiraling the left inner thigh to the sky. Shoot energy out of the sole of the foot. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good job. Inhale, mountain pose. Land gently on the left leg. Exhale, standing back bend. Our first back bend of the day. Squeeze the glutes to protect the lower spine. Lift your gaze. Kiss your shoulder blades behind you. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, standing forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Good. Onto the other side. Inhale, chair pose. Lengthen through the hands. Sink deep into your heels as you breathe. Rip them out apart with your feet energetically to fire up your outer glutes. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more inhale. Exhale, chair plane arms. Sweep your arms behind you. Press the palms in to expand and broaden through the chest. Sink deeper. Breathe. Breathe out. Good. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana. Soften your left leg. Bend your right knee. Squeeze your left butt cheek. Stabilize your lower back, your pelvic floor. Hug your belly in tight for balance and support. Flex your right foot and toes towards your face to fire up that hamstring and quad. Breathe in. Breathe out as you reach through the fingertips. One more breath in. Exhale, full airplane. Bend the elbows. Kick your right leg behind you. Make an L shape with your legs as you reach back. Nice L shape. Good. Hold here. Squeeze the belly. The harder you squeeze that belly, the more you squeeze it and engage it, the more stable we are. Lift your pinkies to the sky. Keep spiraling the right thigh up to maintain square hips as you drive through that right heel. Full breath in. Find strength on the exhale. Good. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, standing back bend. Good work. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, standing forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, tabletop. Press into your hands. Align hips over your knees. Hold here. Good work. Inhale, high plank. Walk your hands forward. Lift your kneecaps off the mat. Hug your belly in as tight as can be. Little bit of belly strengthening, tiny bit. Squeeze the belly. Hold for 4, 3, 2. On your knees in 1. Come to standing on your knees. Take your hands to your lower back. As you align your shoulders over your wrists, pull your elbows in tight. Inhale, gaze forward or up, lifting your chin away from your throat. Exhale, camel pose, back bend. Push your hip points forward, lift out of your heart space. Great job. Take your gaze forward. Have a seat on your heels. Relax. Take your hands to your thighs. Close your eyes. Nice work today. Fabulous job. Use your breath to ground down. Calm. Calm, calm, calm breathing. Building that sense of presence. Then blink your eyes open. Great job. Kick your legs to either side. Line up your glutes at the middle of your mat. Press your feet firmly down onto your mat, using your belly strength to lower down one vertebrae at a time. Reach forward. Lower down. Exhale, Supta Baddha Konasana, recline bound angle pose. Press the soles of your feet together. Take your hands to your belly. Nice work. Good. Just expand through the inner thighs. Open up the hips. Relax. Inhale, hug your knees into the outside of the ribcage. Exhale, bend your knees, parallel your feet, lengthen through the hands. Shimmy your shoulders close together. Inhale, bridge pose. Lift your hips off the earth, detaching the lower spine from your mat. Option here as you breathe, or a bind, really pressing into the outsides of the arms and shoulders. Find a little more lift as you energetically drag your heels closer to your body. Good, breathe in. Exhale, lower your spine down, release the bind. Inhale, pull the knees into the chest. Exhale, happy baby. Take your hands to the insides or outsides of your feet. Stay as you are. Rock side to side if you desire. Good inhale, hug your knees in. Exhale, release your left leg long. Interlace all 10 fingers around your right shin. Keep your knees squeeze a hug, full breath. Exhale, supine twist. Extend your arms, take your gaze to your right shoulder. And inhale, pull your knees back through center. Exhale, extend your right leg long. Interlace all 10 fingers around your left shin. Give your knee a squeeze, halfway removing. Exhale, supine twist to the right. And inhale, hug your knees back through center. Exhale, curl up into a small ball, teeny tiny ball. Full breath in. Exhale, Shavasana, lengthen and relax down, closing your eyes, surrendering, releasing your spine to the earth. Find stillness. Find presence. Stay as you are, as still as can be. little resting pose, please, I encourage you to stay as long as you'd like. If you are ready to move on with your day or your evening, begin to awaken, starting with rubbing the pads of your fingers together, wiggling out your fingers, wiggling out your toes, taking circles to your wrists, your ankles. Bend your knees, cha-cha out your legs, bend your elbows. Move your head from side to side, shoulder to shoulder. Inhale, wall to wall stretch. Reach your arms above your shoulders. As you breathe, lift your belly higher towards the sky. Feel your spine detach from your mat. Feel the stretch at your belly. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, fetal pose. Roll onto your favorite side. As you bend your knees, use your bottom shoulder as a pillow for your ear. With your eyelids shut down, slowly come up to a seated position comfortably. Sukhasana or easy pose is where we finish. As you bend your elbows, connect your hands at heart center, press your thumbs into your heart space, sit up nice and tall, elevate your thumbs to your forehead. Thank you so much for being here, sharing in this journey, this amazing practice of yoga. As always, I humbly bow to you from my heart to yours. Namaste.